Come on, girls. It's time for school. Calm down. One at a time. One at a time. And look who followed them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Sprunky at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Sprunky friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue. You got the blame. But don't get angry. Get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box. And it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be? Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Sprunky friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vinaria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 plus 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a Pop-It toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more Pop-It toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are three-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret Sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Time for the big math test. Did you bring your calculator? Of course, at this point, she'll settle for a new pencil. Well, maybe good old Lilac Lily can help. She's getting promoted to pencil sharpener. And it keeps the shavings all in one place. Just don't forget to clean it out now and then. Now ace that test, assuming you studied. It's important to look your best. What? No makeup? Next, they'll change the dress code to rags. But it's okay. I'm sure you'll draw up a solution. Like your very own paper compact. But it's looking a little flat. Add some stuffing. Now it's your very own Sprunky makeup kit. Why don't we try a little powder first? Wow! Talk about a transformation! It's always nice to see friends help each other. Except, of course, when it's quiz time. Looks like he let you off with a warning. But you still need to switch seats. Uh-oh, looks like she's got a craft idea up her sleeve. If only she put this much effort into studying. Of course, no one ever suspects Orin. Or Ratty. Or Funbot. He's a smart one. That's why he's joining our space program. Looks like he survived his maiden voyage. He's got a secret message for you, Blue. Help! She's sending out an SOS. Don't worry, Blue's got you covered. Speedy delivery, and you didn't have to tip. And when communication comes this easy, who needs phones? Okay, girls, you're gonna need all your pens. Now what did I say about those cat videos? Pinky's got way too much energy. She really needs to make a friend. I know. Why don't we make a friend for her? It's Sky, and he's in crayon form. You still got some leftover stuffing? Well, we do want Sky to be well-rounded. Add some wax. Now he's a real crayon. Don't get jealous. Make your own pen pal. And when we say pen, we mean it. Looks like Pinky's a little cheeky. Or maybe she's just feeling hot today. Rumi always sparkles from her head to her toes. Just make sure not to get in her way, Sprunkies. Oh, just imagine if she meant to do that. Pinky, hurry! The mini Sprunkies need your help. Never underestimate the power of some fresh air. Yeah, Pinky's gotta look out for each other. Now, I think we should get you guys out of this hallway. Strap in. Let's just hope the classroom's safe from them. Aw, I really wanted to read her essay. Don't worry, chocolates are always the answer. Plus a little paint job. And you know Derpy's always got your back. Now add a special K-pop Demon Hunter's keyboard inside. Why don't we invite Zoe over? Pretty soon, the gang's all here. Wow, do you think they'll put on a show? Look out, Pinky! A demon! Who you gonna call? The K-pop Demon Hunters! Come on, Rumi. Drop this guy like your latest single. Think she's tough? Wait till she starts singing. Of course, she always works better with an audience. You gotta pay for a show. But she really liked that backpack. Don't worry, we can make you a new one. Just need some cardboard. Just make a nice sturdy box. Seal it up. And make like a kangaroo and add a pouch. Of course, we also want it personalized. I was thinking writing her name, but that works too. Either way, Pinky's one happy customer. Time to show it off. Uh-oh, looks like Derpy ate your homework. You think the teacher might believe that? 'Cause something tells me she's on the warpath. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you, Pinky. But she's nothing to be afraid of, especially when we've got cardboard to help us. Yes, cardboard. It can make all your dreams come true. And it looks like Rumi is her source of inspiration. Now she's here to help you clean up. Makes sense. She's got a real talent for taking out the trash. Careful, all that ink! There's bound to be a spill! Pinky might have something to help. An ear stick! With ears that big, you gotta keep them clean. Once again, our friendly neighborhood Derpy's here to help. Wrap the stick with some double-sided tape. Now we can stack up every Derpy of the rainbow. Try it out. It's your brand new multicolor pen. Start with traditional derpy blue. Now try red. Come on, there's an entire rainbow of colors to explore. Remind me to add on a purple one next. Okay, we really need to look into a derpy daycare. Silly kitty, go off and play with Sussy or something. These pencils are all chewed up, but we can fix that. Especially with our special derpy pencil sharpener. Don't forget some space for all those loose shavings. How else will we get quarters from the shavings fairy? Let's see if Mini Derpy has as much bite as the original. He does! And keep those in a safe place. These Sprunkies sure have a lot of energy. Maybe too much. Is there a daycare for them? Well, we'll just have to make one then. Just need to lay down some parts. And soon, we'll be in the swing of things. 'Cause it's a swing set. Give Wenda a push, Oren. An idol must always be photo ready, even when it's not picture day. Slay. And I don't mean demons. Unfortunately, girls, this isn't photography class. It's okay. I'm sure you'll get it back in June. Besides, all you need's a matchbox. Sans matches. With a few adjustments, it can be a new camera. Just press a button and soon we'll have a whole selfie slideshow. And look, they even come out as stickers. I wonder if they're still saved on the cloud. Ooh, it's test day. Almost forgot this was a school. And by the looks of it, I think Pinky did too. Don't worry, Roomy's here to help. We just need scrapbook paper. Add a friendly Sprunky face on top. Now fold it up like a fan. Add a straw on top, and it's our old pal, Aqua. You can let her loose whenever you need her. Never forget, Roomy knows a thing or two about having fans.